The HP NV 5530 all-in-one printer makes it easy to scan documents directly to your computer without needing extra equipment. Its built-in flatbed scanner allows you to digitize paperwork, photos, or receipts in just a few moments. Once the printer is connected to your computer through Wi-Fi or USB, you can quickly start scanning using HP's software and save the file as a PDF or image for easy storage or sharing. Try these. Step 1. Place the document face down on the scanner glass and close the printer lid securely. Step 2. Open the HP Smart app or HP scanning software on your computer. Step 3. Select Scan, then choose your HP NV 5530 printer from the device list. Step 4. Adjust scan settings such as file type, color mode, and resolution if needed. Step 5. Click Scan, then save the scanned file to your computer in your preferred folder.